welcome to Cardmaking with Crystal. So this is a passport travel card. It's a regular A2 size card, but the boarding pass makes it large, which is why I made a special envelope for you, which I'll show you how to do. So this is cool. There's a little pocket in the card. There's a space where you can put pictures, a nice message to your loved one, happy birthday, save a passport or a boarding pass. It's so cute. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I share fun and easy to follow card making and crafting tutorials. Let's make it. Hi guys, and let's get started with this amazing card. We're doing a passport card today with 3D letters to the front. Amazing cool boarding pass that takes him from his last age to his current age. I'm going to start with a piece of paper that is 8.5 by 5.5. We're going to score this piece at 4 1/4 and fold and burnish. And this is our base card. To make it look like an authentic passport, we're going to round the edges of just one side of the card, front and back. That's perfect. I'm going to go ahead and round the edges of the inside layers. So we have 2 inside layers. And then this side. I'm going to put this aside. I'm taking a moment and I'm going to design my pocket for the inside to put our boarding pass in. This piece of paper is a regular 8.5 by 5.5 piece. We're going to cut it at 3 by 5. We're going to take this and score it at half, 4 1/2, and we're going to turn it and on the 3 side fold it score it at 2 1/2. Make a mark at 2 down here. Cut this piece of paper. I'm lining up my mark at the 2 down here and at the top here, and I'm going to cut it like this because I want it to have a bit of a slope. So now I have my amazing piece like this. I am going to do some cutting. I'm going to cut this like this. This is already down, so we don't have to cut this one. And we're going to cut these like so. Fold and burnish. And that's our little pocket. That's going to go on the inside of our card perfectly like this. But because we have this corner, we're going to round the corner as well. Let's get our boarding pass ready. I got a huge boarding pass. I designed this on Canva. It's very easy. What I want to do is I want to cut this boarding pass down because I wanted it to be like obscenely huge. So I'm going to cut it down to the size that it's at and see what we're working with. Right? Okay, good. So we have a final boarding pass of just about 9 3/8 of an inch by 3 3/8. I'm going to round the edges of the boarding pass. And this looks absolutely great. It's going to fit perfectly in our little pocket there. Oh, this is looking so cute already. Okay, we're going to leave this here. Now we're going to get some pictures cut and prepared for the card. You can't have a travel card without some cute travel pictures. So I'm going to design some pictures on this for him. I like how that looks. So the pictures are 3 3/4 by 2 1/2. And we're just going to put them like if they're like this. All right, so we have our pictures. I have an Eiffel Tower die cut that I got from this French inspired set. So I'm going to use this on the design as well. Letters and a north, south, east, west, where I got from here. And the letters are from here. I would link all of these things for you to design the front of our passport. Okay guys, we're going to take a moment and design the front of this card. So I'm going to leave everything here because we're going to put everything together after. And we're going to design the passport, his name and the passport to the front of the card. I'm therefore going to use my T-square ruler so that I can have everything lined up perfectly. I'm going to grab my piercing tool here and I'm going to pierce out all of my letters for the word passport because I wanted to do it in 3D letters. It's perfect. I'm going to do it passport, and now I'm going to get his name at the bottom so that we have his name on the actual passport, which will be great. Okay, so I got the design done for the front of the passport. It's so cute. So you're going to put passport at the top, this beautiful north, south, east, west, so whatever direction he wants to go in life right now, and his name at the bottom. I'm going to stick all of this down now. Now, when you're sticking these kind of things down, you want to always have a scrap piece of paper at the side so that you could dab the glue off of it when you're sticking it down. So I'm going to move this and I'm going to line this up. I want the passport to fit exactly where it is right now. And I'm going to start putting glue on the back of these letters. This has a lot of glue, so I'm going to dab some of the glue off and stick down the P. Then I'm going to grab the A. And I'm going to do the same thing for all the letters. So we have Kian Robertson. It is so cute. And now I'm going to put this in. And this is the front of our passport. It looks so nice. Let's decorate the inside now. So we're going to start with the inside with the, obviously, the layers. That's excellent. Now let's put in our pocket. Before we put in our pocket, I want to add this adventure awaits really cute sign right here. Let's line it up first. I like how that looks there. I'm going to just put a line so we'll know where to stop putting glue. And I'm going to stick our adventure awaits right here. I'm going to fold this and cut these off. And now I'm going to stick this down. Put glue on all 3 sides like so. And you're just centering it and sticking it down here. Now we're going to install our pictures on this side. I found this really cute artwork online, so I'm gonna add this to my to the card for Kian. I'm gonna round the edge so the edge matches this edge like this, and I'm gonna line it up and stick it in just like this. And we're gonna stick it down right here. I like this little saying collect moments, not things. So I'm gonna add it, and I'm just snipping off the ends here because I printed it in a Microsoft Word document. It's perfect. I'm going to turn it around, and because it's a birthday card, I'm just going to add in a happy birthday at the back like this. I added a little backing to this so that it's a little stronger because it was just one piece of paper. Because of the sheer size of this card, I'm going to make a special envelope for it. I have a piece of paper here that is 12 by 11. Score on the 11 side at 3.5 and 8.5. And score on the 12 side at 1 and 11. Fold and burnish on your score lines. You're going to take a moment. I can't get this off, so just ignore it because once the envelope is closed, you're not going to see it. You're going to cut this off, and this, and this, and this. So your envelope should look like this. Take your corner rounding tool, round here, here. You're going to round here, and here, and also here, and here. Add some double-sided tape. Remove the lining for your double-sided tape. Fold this in and then fold these up like so. guys, so we're here to deliver this gigantic passport card. It's so huge. So I'm just waiting on my friend Kian to come and we'll deliver it. Yay! So I made this card for Kian and I'm going to present it to him now in front of you guys so you guys can see his reaction. So here you go, Kian. Happy birthday, late. I hope you enjoyed your birthday anyway.
Yes, I did enjoy the birthday.
Okay.
Hey, look at that.
That's the back. That's the back of the card. Turn it around.
Hey, wow. Hey. I guess this would be. Look at that.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
Do you like it, really?
Love.
I thought it'd be perfect for you because Kian is a travel.
Yes,
I mean, he's been everywhere.
Not everywhere.
Almost everywhere. You're going to be everywhere, don't worry.
Okay.
So
Yes.
you can show him the inside. So I
Yeah.
stole pictures from his Facebook page.
Yes,
You
you
see,
did.
he literally went to the Olympics
Yes, I did.
and he skydived. I mean, we all need to be like Kian, okay? So I'm glad. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
Thanks so much for joining me while I made this cute passport card, right? If you like this video, don't forget to give it an actual thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.